What's up, everyone? It's your channel here, Baby Kid Foods, a channel of amazing videos on recipes like African traditional recipes, modern recipe, breakfast ideas, and travel and events. If you are new in this channel, please consider subscribing to Baby Kid Foods. View my videos, like them, and share them with your friends. And guys, if you are not a member yet in this channel, try to browse the membership pack so that you can get access to exclusive videos before anybody else or before they are made public. Otherwise, thank you so much for your support. For those who are already in, thank you. For returning subscriber, thank you. Subscribers, thank you so much for tuning back. And please just stay there. So guys, today's recipe is on bread. I want to make a bread recipe that you can use for your breakfast. You can use as a snack, and you can use it for your tea. So kindly watch this video until the end. Start with all-purpose flour. Guys, make sure you sieve it. We add a teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of sugar. Then some yeast, just a teaspoon of 1 teaspoon of yeast, and then some eggs. Then some margarine and cup of milk. So stay tuned. I'll start mixing up everything. So guys, you can see this. After this, now you can add some warm water. So stay tuned. So you add water simultaneously. So guys, you will continue making your dough and make sure that it is soft. So at this point now, I'm going to place it in a hard surface and continue. So guys, at this time, I'm going to leave it here for about 10-20 minutes as I preheat my oven. So stay tuned. My dough is still waiting. I've already preheated my oven, and now I'm organizing this tray. This is where I'm going to bake my bread recipe. So I have to lubricate it, then use my parchment paper so that they do not stick. My dough is done. It is done. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to roll it, so stay tuned. So we sprinkle some flour so that it doesn't stick. Okay, so this is the size that I want. So I'll keep on pressing to get the right size. I don't want it to be so thick. And now, so this is the way, this is how I want it. So I'm going to mix this. So I'll just add a little water, or you can add some, since I'm using butter, I don't need to add oil. If you don't use butter, you can use some oil. So here I can use some water or milk, so stay tuned. So I will start by folding. So I just sprinkle some flour so that it doesn't stick. So I'll keep it aside first, and then what I'm going to do now from here, I'm going to cut. So guys, this is what I'm going to bake, but still let me continue the rest, so stay tuned. So I will do the same. So I'm going to arrange them in this tray, baking tray. So guys, remember we used some yeast, so there is a possibility that they are going to swell. So when you are placing them in your baking tray, make sure you do a good spacing for them so that they don't get attached. So 3 are left. I have to create a space for them. So guys, before I take them, I will have one yolk, just a yolk. If you so wish, you can add some milk. I don't want to, so take your brush. So guys, you can see they're already looking juicy before they are baked. So stay tuned. Come with me now. So guys, look at them now. So I'm going to do the setting. I'm going to bake them for 40 minutes at 180 degrees. So guys, let's give it 35 to 40 minutes and they will be done. So guys, my bread is done. You can just have a look. You can just see this. So guys, you can just see these are my bread. This I'm just serving this. So guys, look at this. Maybe I can just try one. Oh, it's still hot. It's too hot, but it's so nice. Guys, this is a nice recipe. Kindly give my video a like, share as much as you can, and try it also and enjoy it with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet on the next video. Bye bye.